Hello everyone, welcome to Troveets. Today I'm going to share the recipe for mint and coriander chutney. We need the following ingredients: oil, chili, onion, coriander, mint, fried gram dal, coconut, tamarind paste, um, and for seasoning we require mustard, urad dal, red chillies, curry leaves. So you can use a medium-sized pan, pour some oil, and once the oil is heated, take some about 7 to 8 chilies depending on the spice level. Add onion, and also you can add a bit of tamarind for the tanginess, and fry it for some time till the onions turn brown. And take a blender, put the whole onion and chili mix, add some fried gram dal to it and coconut, and then add a bit of salt. And once you blend this, you can also fry some mint and coriander and add it to the blender and blend the whole mix. And for the seasoning, you can add oil, and you can add mustard, urad dal, and also you can add some red chilies for more flavor if you want more spice. And you can also add curry leaves, and add the seasoning to the chutney to get more flavor. You can eat this chutney along with steamed idli, dosas, uttapams, or vegetable idli. It'd be really very delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time and support. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel Troveets. I would love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you. Bye-bye.